So to make cheese, you need a couple of ingredients. I'm just going to milk the Bannister Downs carton, 40 degrees. Can you see that? And this is just to break up the curds all the way down. On the mozzarella, you need to roll it like pastry. So start the roll. Our pinwheel is chilled and ready. Just keep shaping it. And what a burrata is basically is a soft ball of mozzarella with a filling. I'm going to show you bocconcini necklace. Just kind of press it into the cheese. And these would be lovely on a cheese board. Tag me, because it's going to be impressive. So this is what you end up with when you do all of our cheese recipes. How cute is that? Have fun, it's awesome. It's the best fun we've had in a long time, isn't it? We enjoyed this so much. I hope you guys enjoy it too.